Hello guys, good afternoon. Right now, today, no, nandito tayo ngayon, itong bahay, ito yung house apartment na may 2 rooms. Ayan, up and down with covered garage, corner lot. Ayan, maganda yung bahay. So, malaki itong bahay. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Bacoor. Ayan, malapit lang din to sa highway. So, inside subdivision, actually maganda tong klase ng subdivision niya. So, ito yung bahay. Tara, inquire natin, check natin, alamin natin. Go!